Okay, Google, play the song that Randy made for the intro to my YouTube videos.
I don't see any Chromecasts or Cast-enabled TVs.
MTV, welcome to my crib. This is the front door, the laundry room. There's no dryers here, so we've got to use the good old drying rack. Over here we've got the kitchen, the most important coffee maker, sink, oven, microwave. Second most important, ice cream. It's Colombiana. Definitely not Bluebell, but it'll do. Coffee. So good. Dining room. Beautiful, beautiful. Then we've got the living room. So many places to sit. The porch with the best view in Medellin. This actually pushes all the way open. It does get hot though, so there's that. Over here we've got the guest bathroom. If you want to come visit me, this is where you will shower. If I had to complain about one thing about the apartment, it would be that every single photo is crooked. Like all of those are crooked, and then also this one's like majorly crooked, like check it. I just want to know who hung that and who hung all of those and thought that they were straight. Up next we've got my room. Here's where I do my work. Let's just say I want to open this, so I'll click open. Okay, nothing happened. Let's try. I don't know what's happening. I usually leave this one closed just because, like, I think that that's weird. If it's open, people can like watch me sleep. Bathroom. A closet. Here is the fire pit that's not currently on. I've actually never seen it on this whole time I've been here. I think they try to preserve energy. They're very eco-conscious around here. So this fireplace has never been on, but it is a fireplace. La piscina, the pool. The best spot, the jacuzzi hot tub. That's also a fountain. I've never seen it on either. Got some infinity seating here. I know that there's buttons somewhere. Oh, yes, here they are. Wow, that's intense. Here is my workout facility. Alright guys, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed my tour of my home for the summer. Be sure to like and subscribe, and hope you have a great week.